Let's explore the awesome world of selenium. Selenium is like a super builder for our body's defense system. It creates special shields called selenoproteins inside us, just like armor to protect our cells and keep them super strong. Thanks to selenium, our cells stay safe and mighty. But guess what? Selenium doesn't stop there. It also keeps our brain sharp, our heart healthy, and our thyroid, that special gland that helps us grow, become strong, and have energy, in great working order. Now, where can we find this fantastic selenium? Well, it's hiding in lots of plant foods, especially seeds and nuts. The top 5 foods packed with selenium are sesame seeds, kidney beans, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, and Brazil nuts. And there are more goodies too, like tofu, whole wheat pasta or bread, brown rice, mushrooms, dried coconut, mango, asparagus, chickpeas, cashews, and beans. Our bodies love selenium, but we don't need a ton of it. Just 1 Brazil nut a day is all it takes to keep us healthy and smiling. So now you know how amazing selenium is and how to make sure you've got enough of this superhero builder for a strong and happy body.